Here we are again, another trip for today. This is our bus. We have only one bus. Here is our pickup point, always at No Frills. We are just waiting for my another 4 passenger. They're coming very soon. That's why I'm still outside, because my group is they're still on time, but they're family. I think they're coming now. I think this is it. So guys, this is my area. As I told you, I live very near to Wilson and Butters. And there is the Popeye that we always eat with my hubby. Okay guys, this is a short video. Thank you for watching.